Hi babies, welcome back to my channel right here. And as you can see from the title, we're gonna try this microphone right here. So I got this from Shopee, and I almost get everything on Shopee, and this is on sale. And this is kind of one of the most affordable, if not microphone that is out there, and I thought, why not try it, because it has a lot of good reviews from the store that I have bought this in, and it is actually very affordable. But since it's on sale, I thought, let's just get it. Why not? It is in this protective shield right there. So it's from BOYA. It's the BY-VM01 directional video condenser microphone. So it is packaged very delicately, and I left this package right here. Like, I can use this for so many other stuff, but let's just throw this everything. So it looks like this. It is not very big, but it has a jack output, a integrated shock mount, and a dead kitten windscreen included. So why not try? Actually, my camera doesn't have a microphone of its own, but I thought it works nice even though it doesn't have a microphone. But I thought it would be better if we have a microphone on hand. But this is the inside. It looks like this. You have this card right here, and you have the contents right here. Like, this is the microphone. So I really literally have no idea what I'm doing right here. So let me see the instructions, because I really don't have anything. We need some batteries apparently, and it's AAA, so I think we're gonna find some battery downstairs. But it has a holder right here, and on the picture I thought this would be bigger, but it's kind of small. I am not gonna lie, it's kind of small, and we need to have one AAA battery for that. We have the on and off button in there, and we have this, which is kind of the condenser, so we can have more prominent sounds on the microphone. I guess we can use this actually and put the microphone in here. So it looks kind of like this. So I don't know if this is gonna work because I don't have any batteries on hand, but I guess we'll get one downstairs and we'll try if it has any difference or not from the sounds that I'm having now, because my camera picks up pretty good sounds, you know, but pretty good sounds, you know, but it's kind of echoey, and you know how camera would work without the microphone. But I'm gonna go downstairs, get me some batteries. We'll plug this in. I'm just gonna have to use my phone so that we can see what we're gonna do there, and I'll be right back. So I'm holding the microphone right here. It's kind of light, I'm not gonna lie, and the battery kind of goes in there, so you can see. And I'm running up and down the stairs, but this is my camera right here. So we're gonna plug on the, I guess we're gonna mount it here, so it would look like that, and we'll see if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna mount this first because nobody's gonna mount it for me, but I'm gonna do that and lower the camera a little bit because it's a bit high, but that's what it looks like there. I'm just gonna show you, it's right there, and I don't know if you can see this one, but it says that my microphone isn't off, so I don't know if it's working. I'm not sure because it's on off. Yeah, guys, I am not sure, but it kind of looks like that. So you can see me right there.
One eternity later.
3, 4, 5. Right here.
Okay, so with more tinkering, actually, I searched it on YouTube, and the off button that we're seeing a while ago is actually this windpipe thingy. So actually it's on off right now, but you actually can turn it on here. You can enable it or disable it, it's up to you. But this is actually used for winds, like if you're shooting outside and there's a lot of winds hitting your microphone, you can enable it so it will cancel out some of those winds. But the great test if this works is, you see this lines right here coming up when I'm speaking. It's actually, I'm confused a while ago if it's my camera that is recepting it or it's my microphone. So I searched it on YouTube, and the best thing they said is to tap your microphone and see if it goes up. So I'm gonna stay silent and then I'll tap it. So see that it kind of high up the level there. So this apparently works. I don't get it, I guess, now. But yeah, it does work out. You can tap it up. Like, look at that. It dances when I tap it. And you can apparently do that. So I think that's the best solution or the best explanation that we have here. I think the mic works. So hi guys, I'm back. So that is a long haul of explanation on there, but I think the microphone works for now, since I really don't want to stop there. I don't want to waste my money on that. I mean, it's not expensive, but it is not that affordable either. So apparently some microphones doesn't really work for Canon, which is, there is some microphones that work, but some of them isn't really compatible for Canon. So I tried that, and I guess when I'm editing it, we'll know, and I'm gonna sneak a little preview on that, if there is a little bit, you know, changes in the way there is some changes on the sound that we're having in here. So I am not sure, but I guess for now that is it for me. I think it works. I don't know if the quality is great, and I'm going out with my friends tonight, so that's why I kind of look like this. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, it will help me out a lot. And of course, if you aren't subscribed already, you can click that subscribe button down below, and it will help me get into my dreams, you know? So yeah, I'm a bit crazy right now, I'm going. But yeah, what else? If you're subscribed already, thank you so much for loving and supporting this videos. You can ring that notification bell so you will be notified every time I have a new upload. And that is it for me this evening. I'm gonna go now, and I hope you like this unboxing. And the next unboxing maybe is new makeup. So yeah, I hope you have a really good one, Webbies, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.